Health info. Bringing you well-researched medical information. Today we bring you the Healthy Holiday Guide and the top 10 tips for kidney patients. The holiday season is a time to relax and enjoy time with your family. The warm fire and the tasty food is the main course of the season. However, for individuals managing kidney health, it can present unique challenges. Here are the top 10 tips to consciously manage your eating while maintaining your overall well-being, while not compromising on the spirit of the festival. Drink water. Patients with kidney disease really need to make sure they are drinking proper amounts of water to maintain kidney health. During the festivities, make a conscious effort to drink an adequate amount of water. Limit sugary drinks and alcohol, as they can cause dehydration, which is very damaging to the kidneys. Watch your salt intake. Reducing sodium or salt intake is crucial for kidney patients. Choose fresh, whole foods and limit processed or packaged items, as they often contain high levels of sodium. When cooking, use herbs, seasonings, and spices to enhance flavor without relying on salt. Don't be confused with alternate salt products such as non-sodium salts. These salts contain potassium chloride, which can be harmful for patients who are watching their potassium levels. Eat kidney-friendly food. Pick kidney-friendly foods from the buffet. Kidney-friendly foods include fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Also, if applicable to your medical condition, avoid high potassium and high phosphorus foods. Usually it is a good idea to reach out to your healthcare provider or dietitian for personalized dietary advice. Be conscious about your portions. While kidneys may not be directly responsible for digesting food, they still get impacted with large portions of food. Therefore, practice portion control to avoid overloading your system. Some techniques to help you include using smaller plates, savoring each bite, and staying conscious of your body's hunger and fullness cues. Our minds realize that the stomach is full a little later than the actual time, which is why sometimes we may eat larger portions, only to realize that it has happened later. Maintaining food portions will prevent overeating and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Limit phosphorus-rich foods. As mentioned before, individuals who have restrictions on phosphorus intake need to be mindful of foods that are high in this mineral. Some foods with high phosphorus content include dairy products, nuts, and seeds. Consider alternatives and speak with a dietitian to plan meals that align with your dietary needs. Opt for healthy cooking methods. Always opt for cooking methods that retain the nutritional value of your food without adding unnecessary fats or salts, which are harmful for kidney patients. Some of the best ways to do that is to bake, grill, steam, or sauté your dishes instead of frying. These cooking techniques are both heart and kidney friendly. Share your dietary needs in advance. If you plan to attend a gathering, it is a good idea to communicate your dietary needs to the host well before the event. Another alternative is to bring a kidney-friendly dish to share with others. This makes it easier for the hosts to cater to the needs of the guests, and you bringing a dish ensures that there's something suitable for you to enjoy. Maintain optimal physical activity levels. Consult your healthcare provider about appropriate physical activity for your condition. Engage in light exercises or activities that align with your health goals. Physical activity can contribute to overall well-being and may be beneficial for kidney health. Take medicines as prescribed. It is easy to forget taking your medication during the holidays. However, it is very important to maintain the same medication schedule. Use your phone to set reminders, and always keep your medications in a pill box with you when going to events so that you don't have to worry about forgetting to take it, or leave early to take your medication. Consistent medication management is crucial for kidney patients. Manage your stress. The holiday season can be stressful in many ways, which can negatively impact kidney health. Use techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or gentle exercise to maintain emotional well-being. Attend events that help provide you with an optimal sense of happiness and joy, and avoid gatherings that are contrary to your personal nature, or you feel may bring stress to you. Maintaining kidney health during the holidays requires thoughtful planning and consideration. By following these tips and working closely with your healthcare team, you can enjoy the festive season while safeguarding your kidney health. Health Info wishes you all happy holidays and a very happy new year. Keep watching our videos to learn more about healthy living and nutrition. If you like our videos and want to learn more, please leave a comment below. Subscribe and share to help others.